Good morning, families. So today I'm going to show you how to log into Seesaw using your computer, but this also works for the app. And I'm going to show you how to log in if you go through ClassLink. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing that you're going to do is get online. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. And you're going to want to get onto your Remind app, whether that's on the computer or on your phone app. So I'm going to go ahead and type in remind.com. I am going to send you a message with a picture of your class code for Seesaw. Everyone has a different one, so you have to pay attention to your individual code, okay? So it's gonna look a little bit like this. I'm gonna use our practice class. So I go to messages, and you'll see that I already sent a practice message. And so if I look a little bit closer, there's a picture attached. I'm gonna click on that picture so that I can get the code. And here it says the code is, and I'm going to go ahead and write this down so that I can use it for later. GIOCYBOIAXUE. I can see the code right here. It's bolded right there. So now that I have the code, I'm going to go ahead and get out of that. And you'll see in the message, I write very brief instructions. It says, please go to app.seesaw.me, click on I'm a student, and enter code in the picture attached. I already have the code. So you can go ahead and click on the website from here, which I'm going to do. And let's say that you have the code, but you don't have the website. All you have to do is type in app.seesaw.me, and it'll take you right here. Now, if you remember, it says the next step is to click on I'm a student. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. All right. You do not have an email, so you can ignore this top part. I'm going to go ahead and delete that. But you'll see right here, it says text code. That's where you're going to put in the code that I sent you on Remind. So I already practiced typing it in, but I'm going to go ahead and type it in here. GIOCYBOIAXUE. And then I'm going to press go. And it logs you right in, which is really awesome. You'll see if you're in the correct one, you can see your name on the side. I used a practice student Rosales as the name. So you'll see right here, it says practice student Rosales. That's the name of the student. So that's how you can make sure that you're in the right account. Now here is going to be where I'm going to upload your assignments. I'm going to give you a different video, send you a different video with how to navigate these assignments. But for right now, we're going to focus only on how to log into the account because that's really important in order to be able to do your assignments. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out. Press yes to sign out. Now, I wanted to show you how to log in if you're in ClassLink because some of you are going to be on ClassLink when you get on Seesaw. So here's an example. Many of your pages are going to look similar to this. You're going to go down and you're going to click on the app that is already in your account. You'll see that this page pops up when you click on the app. You don't have a username or a password, so you're going to go ahead and press skip. And this is where it takes you back to the same page that you all were at whenever we first started. So I go ahead and take that out because we don't have an email or password, and I put in the code just like I did before, and I press go. And there you go. Takes you right back to the same place. So you can get on ClassLink. You're still going to have to put in the code. Or you can type in app.seesaw.me, and whichever way you choose, both will allow you to log into the account so that you can see your assignments and do online learning with me. Okay, class. Well, that's all I'm going to show you for today. If you have any questions whatsoever, family members or my students, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will be talking to you very soon. Have a great day.